All right, our fluency. So we're going to find the quotient. Remember, quotient means we're going to divide. So we're going to have 45 and 68/100ths. You're going to divide by 1 2/10. Now, we do have a decimal on the outside here, so we need to move that in. So to make it a whole number on the outside, we need to move it in 1. So on the inside, we need to move it over 1 as well, and then pop it up. Now, can 12 go into 1, or into 4? Nope. Can 12 go into 45? Yes, it can. How many times do you think? Let's try, I don't know, 5? Let's try 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so 60, so that's too big. Let's try maybe 3. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3, 36, yeah. Or else if it was 12 times 4, we'd get 48. So that's too big, so it has to be 3 times. And that equals 12 times 3 is 36. Alright, let's erase our work over here. Alright, now we're going to subtract. We cannot do 5 minus 6, so this 4 becomes a 3 to make this 5 a 15. 15 minus 6 is going to be 9. 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. Drop down that 6. How many times do you think 12 can go into 96? I don't know, let's try 12 times, I don't know, maybe 8? 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Look at that! It can go in 8 times. And that does equal 96. When we subtract, we get 0. Am I done? No, we still have to bring down that 8. Can 12 go into 8? No, so we have to put a placeholder 0 here. We are also going to need to extend our division line, and we are going to also need to add a placeholder 0. Now we need to bring down that 0. Can 12 go into 80? Yeah, how many times? I don't know, let's try. 12 times, we did 8. Let's try 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. 84, that's too big. So how about 12 times 6? 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Or, I'm sorry, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we get 72. So it can go in 6 times, and you get 72. 80 minus 72 is 8. Then if we do another placeholder of 0, we keep bringing it down. We are going to stop after our second decimal, our hundredths place. So we are going to get an answer, or a quotient, of, there you go, 38 6/100ths. 38 6/100ths. Let's type that. So 30. Whoa, my bad. 38 0.06. Alrighty, next. Let's find the product of these two numbers. Product, remember that means we're going to multiply. Do I have to line them up? No, we don't. We're just going to push them all to the right. 75 16/100ths times 5 4/10ths. And now we're going to multiply. 4 times 6 is going to be 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2, 5, 6. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is going to be 28, plus 2 is 30. Now, we are done with our 4, so we're going to put a placeholder 0. We're also done with these remainders. Alright, 5 times 6 is going to be 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2, 36, 37. And we're going to add. We get 4, 6, 8, 5, 10, 3, and 4. Now our decimal goes in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is going to be 405 and 864 thousandths. Perfect. Let's do, last but not least, the sum. Oh, good, we can add them. Remember, when we're adding, we do have to line up those decimals. Let's do a pretty blue. So 13 and 45 hundredths plus 6 and 897 thousandths and 1 and 235 thousandths. To add them up, we can put placeholder zeros if you would like to. 0, 0, 0. Now let's add. Let's do this one. 7 plus 5 is going to be 12. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, 1 is 15. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 and 2. So I got 21 and 582 thousandths. Perfect. And that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job!